With the 1, 2, 3 game, I'm gonna count out loud to the number 3. 1, 2, 3. And when I reach 3, my dog gets a treat. Now the way we're gonna teach this is we're gonna start just by saying the word 3 and giving our dog a treat. And we're gonna repeat that. 3, 3, 3. Once my dog is anticipating that treat that comes when she hears the number 3, I'm gonna then add the 2. 2, 3. And once we've got that pattern set up, we're gonna add the 1. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna start this stationary. Once you've done that a few times and that you're finding that when you say the number 1, your dog looks up at you in anticipation for that 2 and then the 3 and the treat, then I'm gonna start adding some movement, and I can start really easy, just kind of sidestepping around. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then as my dog understands that we can play this game while moving, I'm gonna start to add more movement. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that ultimately our dog can walk by our side while playing this game. Once my dog understands the 1, 2, 3 game and what the pattern means, we can then try the voluntary version of 1, 2, 3. So the voluntary version puts our dog in control of us continuing the pattern. So the way this is gonna work is I'm gonna count to 3, but this time I'm gonna place the treat on the ground rather than hand it to my dog. After she eats the treat, when she looks at me, I'm gonna start counting again. So her eye contact is a cue to me to start the pattern again. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And once my dog understands this in a stationary way, I'm then gonna start adding movement. So I'm gonna count while moving. 1, 2, 3. Place the treat on the ground. When she looks at me, we'll start counting. 1, 2, 3, and moving again. So Jane is telling me by giving me eye contact to count and move forward.